Did you know that in 2024, it takes 1,400 touch points to get a single opportunity in the pipeline? Sellers, if you're ready to close more deals faster, keep watching. I get it, your manager's probably watching over your shoulder, making you send out hundreds of spam-worthy emails a day. You feel like you're struggling to hit quota, and honestly, your current go-to-market strategy is outdated. If you're ready to try something new, come with me. Seller, meet go-to-network, and go-to-network meets seller. Go-to-network, or GTN, is a strategic approach and model where businesses activate their networks. That includes investors, advisors, communities, partners, customers, and more. And they do all this to drive growth. You might have heard of go-to-market, and the difference is that GTM focuses on direct channels and a linear funnel, whereas GTN focuses on network creation and pulling people into your sphere of influence. You might be thinking, that all sounds great, but I'll never convince upper leadership to adopt this new strategy. Well, hear this. Buyers are 5 times more likely to engage with a salesperson via warm intro rather than cold call. Customers from warm intros or referrals have a 37% higher retention rate. And warm intros and referrals are by far the highest converting sales channel at 72.3%. So now that I convinced you it works, how do you do go-to-network? Executing on a go-to-network strategy requires investing in 2 halves: network creation and network activation. Network creation includes activities that bring buyers into your sphere of influence. Co-marketing partnerships, community, social selling, these are all actions that bring the market to you. Network activation is turning that network into business value. Post-selling partnerships, referral programs, warm intros, these help you find customers and revenue within the network that you've created. To learn more about go-to-network strategies, check out the playlist that I'll link right above. Go-to-network is the future of sales, marketing, all of it. It's the way humans have interacted since forever. This isn't a new concept whatsoever, it's just newly being reignited. Spamming cold calls and cold emails is a short-term solution that creates short-term results. What's the point of burning 1,400 bridges to get one potential deal? You'll run out of the right people to call pretty quickly that way. Go-to-network is a long-term solution. It's a way to sustainably build your business by taking the time to be intentional with your network. It's time to build relationships that last beyond just a sale. If go-to-network sounds like a good fit for your team, subscribe to learn more and be sure to check out Commsor's playbook in the description below.